Working towards your dreamland is like planting a seed. At first, it is small, and no one can see what it will become. You water it with hard work, protect it with patience, and wait even when nothing seems to happen. The journey may feel slow, and sometimes you may want to give up. But if you keep going step by step, the seed grows. Your dreamland is not reached in one day. Why keep chasing a dream that feels so far? One voice whispers. Because the dreamland is worth it, the heart replies. Don't you see the failures? Don't you feel the weight? Doubt asks. Yes, I feel them, courage answers. But every step forward is proof I have not stopped. Isn't it easier to quit? Fear suggests. It may be easier, hope smiles. But it will never be better. The seed I plant today will grow tomorrow. It calls softly but clearly. Come closer. Every effort, every lesson, every stumble is building me inside you. Don't stop, you are nearer than you think.